In a time of famine and hardship, when survival was uncertain, one woman's loyalty and courage changed the course of history. This is the story of Ruth, a story of love, faith, and devotion that still inspires people today. Her journey begins in a land far from home, facing a future filled with unknowns. Let's explore how her remarkable choice echoed through the ages. It all started when Naomi and her husband left their home in Bethlehem because of a devastating famine. They settled in the neighboring land of Moab with their 2 sons. In time, the sons married Moabite women, and one of them was the gentle and kind-hearted Ruth. For a while, it seemed they had found a new life, but then tragedy struck. First, Naomi's husband died, and later, in a heartbreaking turn of events, both of her sons passed away as well. Naomi was left utterly alone and heartbroken, with only her 2 daughters-in-law, Ruth and Orpah, by her side in a foreign land. The future looked bleak, and Naomi's spirit was crushed by grief. With nothing left for her in Moab, Naomi made the difficult decision to return to her homeland of Bethlehem. She turned to her daughters-in-law, her heart heavy, but her mind clear. She urged them to return to their own families, to find new husbands, and to rebuild their lives. It was a practical, selfless plea. With tears and embraces, one daughter-in-law, Orpah, agreed. She said her goodbyes and turned back toward her home in Moab. But Ruth made a choice that would not only define her future, but would resonate forever in the hearts of millions. She refused to leave Naomi's side. Clinging to her mother-in-law, Ruth looked at Naomi with unwavering determination and spoke words that have echoed through the centuries. "Do not urge me to leave you or to return from following you. For where you go, I will go, and where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God my God." In that powerful moment, Ruth chose loyalty over comfort, and love over personal security. She willingly walked away from her homeland, her family, and everything she had ever known, simply to stand by Naomi her darkest hour. This single act of profound devotion set them on a path they could never have imagined. When they arrived back in Bethlehem, they were poor and had no means of support, but Ruth, full of strength and resilience, immediately set out to provide for them both. She went to the fields to glean to gather the leftover grain that the harvesters left behind. It was humble, difficult work, but she did it faithfully every single day. Her dedication did not go unnoticed. She happened to be working in the field of a man named Boaz, a kind and respected landowner who was also a relative of Naomi's late husband. Boaz saw Ruth's hard work and admired her incredible devotion to Naomi. He made sure she was protected in his fields and instructed his workers to leave extra grain for her to gather. As time went on, Ruth and Boaz grew closer. With Naomi's wise guidance, Ruth respectfully and humbly approached Boaz, following the customs of the time, and he responded with incredible honor and kindness. Recognizing her virtue, Boaz stepped in to redeem Naomi's family land and married Ruth, promising to care for both her and Naomi. Their union was blessed with a son named Obed. This child brought immeasurable joy to Naomi, restoring her hope and her family line. But the story doesn't end there. Obed would grow up to become the grandfather of the great King David. From Ruth's single act of loyalty, a legacy was born that would shape the future of Israel and, eventually, become part of the lineage leading to Jesus. Ruth's story is so much more than just a tale from the past. It's a powerful reminder that loyalty, kindness, and faith can truly change everything. Faced with an uncertain future, Ruth chose love over fear, and her selfless decision brought hope only to Naomi, but to countless generations that were yet to come. Her life shows us that even in our darkest and most difficult times, an act of faithfulness, no matter how small it may seem, can lead to a future brighter than we could ever imagine. Thank you so much for watching. If this story inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to have you as part of our community.